This, guys, is why you do proper maintenance on your trailers. I'm at the landfill, and this is somebody's trailer that something went wrong with the axle, something broke, probably maybe had too much weight or something, I don't know. But proper maintenance, proper inspections of your trailers, and make sure this don't happen. You don't want to see both sides of the axle. On this side, both sides, something went wrong. And that clearly looks like it broke. So they in trouble. They got to put 2 new axles on here if they want to get this trailer. If not, this trailer gonna end up going in a scrapyard here at the landfill because they ain't gonna let it sit here too long. But yeah, check your trailers. Look at your axles. Look at your lights. Look at your trailer hitch. Make sure everything is straight before you hit the road. At least once a week, check over your entire trailer, or you're gonna be stuck at the landfill like this. And I know because it happened to me. I was on my way home, and one of my hubs broke, came off, left my wheel flying down the freeway. But I was able to get a new hub, put it back on, get back on the road, and after that, I learned to start inspecting my stuff every day. At least once, twice a week, I check mine, make sure this don't happen to me, and I don't leave my trailer stranded somewhere for somebody to steal it, or it end up in a junk like this one's probably gonna be. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Take care of your stuff. Git'R dumpster rental and junk removal at your service.